Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I would like to teach you about list in Python. So what is a list? A list is a data type that does what it sounds like. It lists objects, value, or store data within square bracket. So for example, here I've defined a string variable called maths, which contains some months of a year. So we have from January till September. Alright, let's print this string variable. I will use the print function, and I'll put some space here. Print mouse. Alright, let me run my code. Okay, you can see I have the output here. Cool. Alright, so if we want to add, for example, a single value at the end of a list, we can use a method called append method. So after September, we can add October, for example. So we have to write something like mouse that append, and then the name of the element we want to add at the end of the list. Now let's see the result of this code. You can see that October was added to the end of the list. That's nice. And I want to show you something else. If we want to add November and December also, we can use something called the extend method. So the extend method allows us to add multiple value at the same time. So I will use it by writing mouse that extend, and then square bracket, we'll add the missing mouse over here, November and December. Okay, now let's print it. You will see the difference. You can see that our list is now contain all the month of a year now. Cool. Alright, so what about if we want to remove an element from our list? We can use something called, if we want to remove, for example, December, we can use the remove method. So we write mouse that remove, and I will specify the element I want to remove inside the bracket, remove. December. Let's run our code. As you can see, December was removed from our list. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share and comment this video. See you next time. Bye.